Okay, before today's video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys go over to enchantedgrow.com, there's a huge catalog of everything plant related. Everything from air plants, house plants, carnivorous plants, to freshwater aquatics. Also, you will get 10% off your first order just by typing in your email. Over here, as you can see, if we go over to the house plant catalog, there's a huge selection to choose from. We ship one of the highest quality plants and we ensure customer satisfaction with a 100% live arrival guaranteed on all our orders. If there's any problem with your order, go ahead and send it over and our customer service team will help you go ahead and resolve any request. Go ahead and enjoy today's video and comment down below if you guys have any other suggestions or any other videos you guys would like to see. Now enjoy today's video.